the monster for Barbooth or Sheshbesh or Begemem is over here. You can see how this system activates on 6,400 centimeters square. It's a very big area. Directly the dice on a glass table at 1 meter high, or even more, 1 meter 50 centimeter high. Right now we'll make a short test on a glass table, nothing in the table. We test 80 by 80 centimeter, that creates 6,400 centimeters square on 7,500 watts, connected to the electricity wall, 110 volts or 220 volts, that create a huge magnetic field for magnetic dice on 1 meter high. Let's see. Bring the wood. Nothing in the table all the time clean, nothing in the wood, and we will test with the remote control the matte material dice. First time the 8 millimeter dice. So 6 6 and 1 1. 6 6. Again. It's good, big. Now small. Now small again. Now big. Now random. Now big. Now bring the other dice, the 16 millimeter dice, the big one. Big. Now small. Now random. Now small. Now small again. Now big. Now big again. And now bring the 12 millimeter dice. With the red dot. Okay, now big. Now small.